If you are a real estate developer, municipal commissioner, policymaker, or concerned about the air quality in India, you should watch this video. Tested by IIT Kanpur, PAMARES has proven to reduce particulate matter by up to 45% in outdoor environments. And the best part, it operates silently without causing any noise pollution. PAMARES or Particulate Matter Reduction System is a patented filterless technology designed for efficient outdoor air cleaning. This device has an operating range of up to 20 meters in diameter, capturing road dust, micrometals, microplastics, bacteria, and more. It effectively captures various sizes of dust from ultrafine PM 0.1 to PM 10. Unlike traditional outdoor air purifiers, it doesn't take up extra space or obstruct footpaths. Instead, it seamlessly mounts on existing street poles, therefore saving on new infrastructure cost. Palmaris attracts the dust from the air without the use of any filters or fans or any moving parts. But what happens to the captured dust? It's not discarded. Instead, we send it to processing plants to be repurposed into construction material, preventing it from re entering the air, fostering a circular economy. When it comes to power consumption, Palmaris is incredibly energy efficient. It runs on just 18 watts, the same as the standard LED bulb in our homes. Thanks to this ultra low energy use, it can be easily integrated with solar panels, aligning perfectly with smart city initiatives for sustainable street lighting with solar. While India works on long-term solutions, these revolutionary products helps reduce air pollution, particularly ultrafine dust, without heavy dependence on coal-powered electricity, making it a true win for the environment and the people.